Now see all of you, just I said you the procedure. Now here this which I said you to on and off. So here we can switch on either this switch on and off, otherwise we can switch on this switch on and off. So any one switch can be on and off. So here see close this switch, increase the load. Here we have to increase the load, we have to switch on this. Then when we are operating this switch, then your disc starts rotating. See, your disc starts rotating. When disc starts rotating, you have to start the stopwatch. You have to start the stopwatch. So when disc stops, you have to stop the stopwatch. So this is the procedure we have to follow, and you have to note down the current. Here you have to note down the current and the time. So one reading I will take again. I will increase the load. Then we have to see how much is current. Current is 4.8. Then we have to switch on this. If switch on, starts the time and this starts rotating. Started time. This stops. You have to stop the time period. So that time period you have to note down here. So this way we have to conduct the experiments. Then you have to remove the switch. If you remove the switch, this disc goes back to its original position. See, it has been gone back. It takes time. Now again we will increase the load. Current is here now 4.9. Then we have to switch on. Stopwatch लीजिए sir. Then we have to switch on this switch. This starts rotating. Started the time. If this stops, stop time. So it has been shown. कितना सेकंड है सर?
Yeah, 8 seconds.
8 seconds. So now you have to note down this current and 8 seconds in this table. So like this way we have to go for this 100% setting. Then here is the 100% setting. Then same way we have to go for 0.8. We have to take it this side. We have to push it this side, 0.8 and 0.6. That is nothing but 80 and 60% setting. If you come to the college, you have to conduct these experiments. Right now just we are showing you the demo. Okay. So this is nothing but the overcurrent relay. See this is the relay which sends the overcurrent and trips.